Righty guys and gals, it is PPV time again. It's been a couple of, I'd say several weeks since we've played with the PPV. So, look at this. I went and had the rear windows done with the 5% limo. Yeah, that's nice. Uh-oh, got the windows down. What's going on? What are we doing? And look at how dark it is up front. Oh, let's talk about the up front first. Let's talk about how freaking hot it is right now. It's like 96. So we went and picked up the WeatherTech. Hope that's coming out. Sun shield. And as you can see, it really does a nice job darkening up that front of the car. Keeps all the heat off that dashboard. I love it. It was about 80 bucks. It's expensive, yes it is, but it's not my first one, because Big Blue over here, she's got one on her too, and it really keeps the car, truck, whatever you want to call it, nice and cold. Here's my complaint. You see that goober? That goober right there, which is the Achilles heel for this product, is where that Velcro strip grows, and it just gets hot, falls off, and the glue becomes icky. But other than that, it's the best sun shield I've ever owned in my life. It is amazing. Second of all, what do we got? Oh-hoo, we bought the AVS. What are these things called? In-channel. What the hell are they called? They're called something. Vent visor. As you can see, I've already got them on Big Blue. The AVS wore off of Big Blue. They're about 5 years old. So I thought I'd put them on the Tahoe. So that's where we're going. And these are what they call in-channel. They go up inside the channel. I screwed up one time and bought the ones that paste on the outside of the car. I think they're called stick-ons or something. They terrible. That's if you want to watch that video, it is on a Chevrolet Trailblazer, I believe. So, what do we gotta do? Well, we gotta get some rubbing alcohol, get up here with a swab, and clean out the insides of all these channels all around the vehicle. Then they're gonna open these bad boys up. That is 3M super sticky tape. Shove it up in there, and then you just roll the windows up, and they actually smash the vent shade into the body of the truck. And then leave it there for like 3 days, and then the glue just at 96 degrees temperature, that glue is going to stick by the end of the night. But I think it's going to make the PPV look a whole lot nicer. And other than that, yeah, like I said, we did the back window here with 5% limo to match the the police department's 5% limo. So let me go ahead and get these vent shades ready. I'm going to clean these channels. If you want to watch, I'll give you a quick thing. Let me go get some alcohol and some swabs. Yum. So I got my 97% isopropylic alcohol, if that's how you say it. Soak the rag. And I've already done these once, but I'll show you what we do. We basically just come in here and clean that. I still got some. And that weather stripping is scorching hot. Whew, that burned my finger. So we did all 4 windows. This is the cruddies we got off of it. Now we get to open up, and if you ever played with this tape, it's a real mother. That's what I'm going to tell you. Oh, here we go. Model number 194514, and it fits the Chevrolet GMC Yukon Tahoe from 07 to 2014. Bought them at Auto Anything. Got to give those guys a plug. Auto Anything. Love those guys. I want to say they also supplied me with the WeatherTech sun shield. Not positive on that, but I'm pretty sure that's where that came from. And what's still coming is the dash mat. And it's the same one I got in the truck, and I don't think I did a review on that one. So I'll review both of them at the same time. And yes, that was expensive also. So let's go ahead and unbox this and start putting these bad boys on. Okay, so I'm going to get a little razor blade and pry that piece of tape up, and then pry that piece of tape up, and basically just take that tape off there. Normally I leave this in until I get it in the channel and pull it off, these windows are so bad. Hang on a second. Let's go ahead and pull this off. Yeah, I was saying these windows are so bad, meaning there's not much keep them together. I'll show you what I mean here. You just kind of shake the window, it just rattles. And then you kind of come back here, get this thing lined up here, and doing this with one hand is fun. And then you want to shove it up in there. Okay, I'm going to put it on pause here. Okay, so you get it on pause, shove it up in that channel. One didn't like to go. And then you roll the window up. The window pushes it up into the channel. And that tape is going to glue right on like glue. So there is passenger side of the Tahoe with the vent shades on. I think it looks pretty good, don't you? And I already came over here and I already got that one on. Still haven't done the front. Let's go ahead and put the front one on. Roll that window up. Look how dark that is. You can't see diddly squat. Alright, you got the idea. I'm going to shove the front one in and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Hang on. Alright, got the front one on. Alright, there's the front. Front and rear, driver's side. 5% limo. Can't see nothing. Love it. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. The question is, will they stick once I roll the window down, because those channels are pretty beat up. Go to the other side and check the other side out. And there's the passenger side. I think she looks good. Subtle. Just a little flare. Not much, just a little flare. Alright. Got those at Auto Anything, I want to say. I think I paid, I don't know, $35 for those. And I paid a whopping $85 for the sun shield. Now, she stays nice and cool in there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. That's it for the PPV. Nothing real major, just a little cosmetic, a little beautification. And like I said, I got that dash mat coming yet, so we'll do the videos on those once they show up. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day. It's 96 degrees outside. Did I tell you that? And we just had our first tropical storm yesterday. It's freaking hot. Hot, hot, hot. So, this just rolled in off the UPS truck. It is destroyed in the box wise. You can't even see where it came from. But there it is. It's a 2007 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche Tahoe Silverado. Well, I don't know why it has to say 1500 LTZ. It falls under Silverado. It's made in Mexico. That I did not know. Mexico. 5/31/22 it was made. My God, this is just absolutely a mess here. Hang on. All-time mat. Very interesting. Did they send me the right stuff? What the hell did they send me? Made in Mexico. Oh, there we go. Some Velcro there. It's a dash mat. Dash mat, all-time mat. Wow. Yeah, well, anyway, we don't need the instructions. I've never used the Velcro stuff on these dash mats. But go ahead and throw this in the car here. Be right back. Hang on a second. This is your little airbag flap. Remember we talked about that? Fit and finish. It is freaking amazing. I mean, that'll lay down, but the sensor's right there. That's good. Yeah, nice fit and finish. This is the dash mat. I guess they're calling it the Ultra mat. It's a little heavier duty than the other ones, but I got one in the big blue Tahoe, big blue pick-em-up truck, and I really like it. So you know, tomorrow this will sit. Well, actually, it won't sit out in the sun because I got the weather tech. Look at that thing. That thing is nice, isn't it? Look how thick that is. That is some thick stuff. And if you didn't know this, the inside is black, which is for the not summer, winter time. You can put it facing out, and it'll attract the heat toward your windshield to melt snow and ice. Is that pretty cool? And of course, the front side's silver for reflection. So yeah, I like the dash mat, all-time mat. So I'm gonna give that thing 5 fingers, 5 thumbs up, 5 stars. Really like it. So that should get nice and hot driving tomorrow in the hot sun down here. What was it, 97 today? Oh, it's disgusting. So yeah, that's really gonna keep the dashboard nice and cool. And that'll lay down real nice up there. Fits perfect. Oop, there we go. Yeah, real happy with it. Looks good.